Hello my friends and welcome to Flying Circus Models. After my Quadron project I decided to build something that has less rigging, but still an interesting plane. So I selected Morane Saulnier Type N from Special Hobby. And this is the first part of the build, the cockpit. As you can see, the quality of the kit is approximately on the same level with Morane. The kit pretty simple with design and has a lot of pins inside the fuselage and even outside. Of course, it has some plastic burr on sprues and details that also remind me about the Rodan kits. This kit has some recent parts, like machine gun belts, engine and propeller, and also some photo etch parts. The instruction is pretty simple as well. As usual, first things first, we need to remove major cockpit parts from the sprue and clean them. After, I sanded all pins that are on the outside of both fuselage halves and used a sharp scalpel blade for the inside. I didn't use a putty because you will barely see that part when the cockpit will be closed. The kit plastic seat has a cushion imitation, which looks not too bad. However, the real seat on the plane was made from a plywood and had 2-3 lines of holes to reduce the weight. You can't see them in the plastic, so I had to drill them. I drilled 2 lines, not 3 lines, just because of the size of the seat. The next step is to paint all fuselage parts. I used Hataka bluish-gray for metal frame, control stick and pedals. Then I painted a central part that was covered with linen with the beige color. Same beige I used as a base for wood paint on the seat. Then I masked already painted parts and painted the metal parts with metallic on top of the black base coat. To paint wood, I used my usual technique with the oil paints. I used raw sienna and hard, dry flat brush. Then all painted details were covered with the layer of feature. I decided not to use the kit for H seat belts, and I used aftermarket ones from Eduard. They are already painted, and that makes our life a bit easier. So I bent them and glued to the seat. To add some used effect, I applied a black wash on inner fuselage sides and a back cover, then removed all extras. Right now all cockpit parts are ready to be put together. I added some extra details like instruments, hand pump, control wires from pedals and control stick. On the bottom of the back cover I drilled 3 holes to put control wires through them. In this way, it's much easier to glue them and to make a tension.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
The final piece is to glue the seat on its place, and we can close the cockpit. As you can see, the early planes had very simple cockpits with not a lot of details, which is very interesting if we compare them with the modern planes. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press like button and leave your comments below. I read and reply to all of them. Also, if you would like to support my channel, you can do it on Patreon, where you can see my videos early. Also, I share some interesting pictures there. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episodes.